What's up, guys? It's been a minute. So I figured I haven't done my makeup in a while on this channel, and plus, like, I really don't do a lot of makeup, period. Like, I just put on my foundation, concealer, powder, some mascara, and I might wear like a color lip or something. So excuse my nails because I'm trying to just take them off. Every time I polish my nails, something happens. I end up smudging it and I'll be over it and ready to take it off. So if you have any tips on patience and nail polish, I know I could do like gel, but I don't have my gel nail polish kit with me. So yeah, if it's not the salon or gel nail polish at home, yeah, I don't have no patience to do my nails. I only have like 2 palettes with me. I have the Profusion natural palette, which I like. I like the payoff on this palette. Like, if you haven't been at Target and you haven't seen this, you should try it out. For primer, I usually use 2 things. I use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Spray and then the Stay Matte actual primer. Start with the spray. And it smells good too. And I go in with the actual primer. I don't know if it's necessarily going to be a tutorial. I think this is just more of a get ready with me. Yeah, I'm not doing nothing much today. I cleaned up. I'm trying to catch up on some YouTube videos because I've been slacking on YouTube and watching a lot of like people's vlogmases and stuff like that. I thought about doing vlogmas, but I was like, girl, be realistic, because you don't do much. You go to work, you might run some errands, and then you back in the house. Like, who wants to see that? Like, everybody does that. But I might still vlog anyway, but only when I'm doing like actual fun stuff. Thinking about just going ahead and buy the full size. This is a sample of the MAC Studio Fluid in NW35. And I was just testing it out to see if it would break me out or how it wears on my skin, because I have oily to combination skin. But in the wintertime, I mean, it gets oily in the wintertime too, but not as often as the summertime. I don't even know if I want to do foundation first if I'm doing lashes and all that stuff. So I'm going to skip foundation for right now. And I'm going to do my eyebrows. Right, this is the best that they're going to get. Don't worry about it. I got to wear them, not you. I still don't know what color eyeshadow though. That's the only thing. And I don't know what type of look I'm going for either. And I don't want to be doing this for a long time. I just want to be done. Yeah. But before I even do anything, I think I'm gonna need some tape. And I'm gonna tape the outer corner of my eyes like this. Might as well go ahead and blend that crease color down. And the sun is definitely not in my favor today, so it's just a fail video. Anyways, I need to blend this out because I can see like it's not coming along well. Usually when all else fails, I kind of like throwing some darkness into the outer corner, so just smoke it out. But I'm gonna keep it kind of simple with the dark brown in the outer corner, and go ahead and go back into my Profusion palette and then maybe grab this color. It's called Pixie, and it has like a pink iridescent undertone under it, which I think will go cute with the chocolatey brown. So what I'm gonna do is just take a brush, spray it, and then dip it into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna find a brush that's like kind of dry and put it into my Mika Beauty shimmering powder. It's like very shimmery and pink. Looks like this. Oh, it's gonna be all over the place. But it's okay. It is okay. Take Fearless, which is this orange color, and kind of like put that on the outer crease. And I also took in that first color that I used in my crease and just blended it out a little bit more so that there's some more color. Why is my manager FaceTiming me? Hello?
Hi. Can you do me a favor?
What's wrong? My camera just wants to be a dick today. It keeps shutting off, and I'm like, why? It's time for lashes. So what I'm gonna do is take these off. Wow. I love a crisp line. But I'm nervous about these lashes because me and lashes are like, we're friends. We're not friends at all. So that wasn't bad at all. Like, it took probably like less than 5 minutes to do it. So I can say that it was a little painless, okay? Yeah, I got them on. So I'm gonna take some mascara and blend the two. I will say that on this eye, as usual, it gives me a little bit of issue. I don't know why, but I think we're done pretty much with the top of the eyes. I don't have to do anything else. So it's time for the face, finally. So again, MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NW45. Take that, dab it on my face. I don't do a lot because I don't like when my makeup looks cakey or gets oily and then looks disgusting. Especially since I use 2 different foundations and I just want things to look natural. But I also take L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte and take a little squirt of that. Not even a whole bunch, just a little bit. And I'm gonna take one of these stippling brushes and blend both the foundations in together because one is light and one is kind of dark and I'm in between. So right after that, concealer. I'm gonna take the same concealer that I used to shape up my brows, the NYX HD concealer in NW6.7. I miss my NYX. I miss getting MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I use a foundation brush for this part because I want it to be like a little bit more even. The stippling brush is alright, but it has like streaks. But I know when I put powder on, everything will blend in. The sponge and then my Airspun powder and set underneath my eyes. Usually when I do my makeup more dramatic, I like how it looks when time has gone by and the oils in my skin start to come out and the foundation kind of sets. Right now it's looking like, I don't want to say cakey. Right now it just looks too fresh. You know that fresh makeup look where it's not cakey technically, but it's on the verge of cakey. So I'm going to go ahead and set the face. I'm using L'Oreal's True Match powder in N6 Honey Beige. It's N7, it's just too dark. I just got like the fluffiest powder brush ever because all the ones that are like great for buffing in the skin are drying right now. You can see the powder coming off. Okay, powder is done. Now for bronzer, I'm gonna use NYX matte bronzer in Deep Profound. Alright, for blush, I'm gonna use Jordana's Cinnamon Spice. Then go back in with that powder brush and fix that bronzer and blush because sometimes it be too much. ColourPop Highlighter and Whisk. And I use my finger. I go over the tip of my nose and right in the middle. And then I go underneath on top of the cheekbones, I should say. Back to the eyes. So I'm gonna go in back with that Profusion palette, and I'm gonna take that Fearless color right here that was like an orange brown. I actually liked it. So I'm gonna take that orange color again and go right where that line is connected and go underneath. And I'm not like, I'm kind of dramatic with it. Thought about putting black into the waterline, but we're gonna take some plum kind of color from L'Oreal, and I'm gonna put that in my waterline. Add some mascara to the bottom lash. I was just thinking about having a lip color that matches my eyeshadow. So we got Rimmel London, the liner, pencil, and Coffee Bean. This will be on the outer. And then I have, is this Nicka Beauty? Lip liner in brown, which is a little bit more light chestnutty. It's like lighter than the Coffee Bean. And then I'm gonna take MAC's Velvet Teddy, which is like a pink like color, and put that in the center. This is the final look on this makeup. Brown outer edges with a nice shimmery, light, champagne-y pink inner part. Brown lipstick, and yes. If you like this look, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. My next tutorial I have a little bit better lighting. I'm sorry, but sometimes you gotta work with what you got. And yeah, stay tuned to my next video, and I'll see you when I see you.